Some of the students get stuck while solving the questions which involve real and distinct roots. They find it troublesome to solve the equation and find out distinct roots, that is finding the value of x, the two real roots. So I have created another video on that. Here it is. Finding real and distinct roots. For this we will find the value of discriminant, that is d. So we know that d is equal to b square minus 4ac. The value of b is given as 7. So 7 square minus 4. The value of a is 1 and the value of c is minus 60. Solving this, we will get 49 minus plus, it is 240. So the value of discriminant, that is d, is 289. So we will put this value in the formula of x minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, that is d upon 2a. We have already found the value of b square minus 4ac, that is d. So in this we will be having two values or two roots. You know that the quadratic equation has two roots or the two zeros. Finding the two zeros which have distinct values, that means different values. The roots will be minus b plus under root d upon 2a. We are writing d in place of b square minus 4ac. The second root will be minus b minus under root d upon 2a. Okay. So we will put the values here. The value of minus b. The value of b is 7. Minus b will be minus 7 plus under root 289. The value of a is 1. So 2 into 1. Under root 289 is equal to 17, right? 289 is the square root of 17. So we will write minus 7 plus 17 upon 2. 17 minus 7 is 10. 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. So one root is 5. One zero is 5. Another 0, that means the distinct root. Another root will be given by putting the values in the second formula, that is minus 7 minus under root 289, 2 into 1. Minus 7 minus 17 upon 2 is equal to minus 24 upon 2 is equal to minus 12. So another root will be minus 12. You can see that the roots are distinct. The two roots are 5 and minus 12 that are given by the formula of x. I hope it is clear to you. Now I will tell you how to find the square root in an easy way. Suppose it is a perfect square 289. So you have written 17. If suppose there is 117 which is not a perfect square, how will you find the square root? Easily. You will just prime factorize. That means you will divide 117 by 3, 13 and again 3. So you will find 2 3s and 1 13. Now you will write 3 square into 13. 3 square will be 3 when we are finding the square root. 3 into 3 is 9. So we will write 3 under root 13 and find out the roots as this. Minus 7 plus 3 under root 13 upon 2 minus 7 minus 3 under root 13 upon 2. Right? So it was just to explain. So if there is any problem, any difficulty, any query or any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will solve your doubt. If I find it necessary, I will create more videos to clear. So you have watched that video. I will upload another video involving another important question in view of your board exam. You will be having these type of questions in your board exams. So if you want to watch, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye-bye.